Welcome back to Crowdhost Maintenance Management. I'm Bruce, and today we're exploring how IoT is transforming HVAC cost management. With us is Alex, an expert in maintenance and IoT. Alex, welcome.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. Excited to dive in.
HVAC systems are a major cost in industrial operations. Traditionally, maintenance was reactive, often leading to higher costs. But IoT seems to be changing that. How is IoT driving this shift?
Great question, Bruce. With IoT, HVAC systems are connected via sensors that monitor things like temperature, airflow, and energy use. This data helps us transition from reactive to proactive maintenance. We can now detect issues early, schedule maintenance, and optimize energy use in real time, saving both time and money.
And what does this look like in practice?
For example, IoT systems can flag when an HVAC unit is consuming more energy than necessary, triggering automatic adjustments or alerts. Predictive maintenance comes into play by analyzing the data to forecast when components might fail, allowing us to replace or repair them before a breakdown occurs.
So it's about avoiding surprise costs and improving efficiency.
Exactly. By monitoring HVAC systems in real time and predicting potential failures, we can avoid costly emergency repairs and downtime, leading to significant savings.
Sounds like a major win. How easy is it to integrate IoT with existing systems?
It's easier than you might think. Many modern HVAC systems already have IoT capabilities, and older systems can be retrofitted with sensors. Once connected, you can use your existing maintenance software to manage everything seamlessly.
I'm sure a lot of our listeners are wondering, how much of a difference can IoT really make in energy savings? Any real-world examples?
Absolutely. I've worked with several clients who've seen up to 30% reductions in energy costs after implementing IoT. By constantly adjusting settings based on real-time data, these systems ensure they're running efficiently rather than wasting energy during off-peak hours.
That's impressive. And Alex, could this kind of smart maintenance apply to more than just HVAC systems?
Definitely. IoT isn't just for HVAC, it's applicable across all types of industrial equipment, from machinery to lighting systems. The ability to monitor and optimize anything connected to your network can lead to better efficiency, reduced downtime, and cost savings in a wide range of operations.
I love that. IoT truly feels like the backbone of Industry 4.0. For someone looking to take the leap, what's the first step?
Start small, Bruce. Focus on one system, gather data, and see the impact. Once you've experienced the benefits, you can scale up. But the key is understanding the value it brings, and that can start with just a few sensors.
Excellent advice, Alex. Thanks for joining us today.
It was a pleasure, Bruce.
And to our listeners, if you're ready to make your HVAC management smarter and more cost-effective, it's time to embrace IoT. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Cryotos Maintenance Management.